Hi, welcome back. I'm Luann with ScreenEx, and today we have a new innovative product that we weren't able to offer before, but we have it now. Now I've had people call me up and say, I live in a windy area, do you have a screen that's not gonna, they'll keep the bugs out and, be able to withstand winds of up to 70 miles per hour? Well, the answer now is yes, we do. And let me show you how it works. It comes in either you do it with a crank or we offer motorized. And it's really easy. All you have to do is put it on, give it a twist, and down it comes. And the great thing about this screen is that you can push on it. It's not going to come out of the tracks. It's very sturdy. And as you can see, it's not coming out. So give me a call and I'll give you a price. And you too can enjoy the benefits of not having to worry about a high wind and no bugs. And also look for my new segment, Frequently Asked Questions with Luann, where I answer your questions from can I keep my pets in with this screen to, my husband took it down and for the winter and now he can't remember how to put it back up. Can you help me? The answer is yes, I can. So give me a call, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week at 203-720-1299, or you can email me at info@screenex.com. Thank you.